Oh, it's a project, Cass.
Project Animal.
That's so fun.
Let's see if there's another thing. Oh, it's Remy Lou.
Oh,
Cute.
that's so fun. It's a little xylophone, yeah?
I
Yeah.
don't know, that one might be for me.
Hmm.
Ooh. I wonder what this is.
Ooh.
Felt.
They're little stickers.
Cool.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
For your projects? Maze?
Chocolate.
Oh. Who's that for?
Avashli.
Oh man, there's more stuff in there.
Oh, Zele Attack.
Ooh, nice. Those are cute. Nice. That's the water.
Oh, Zele Tom.
No, it says Jake.
Zele
Jackpot.
Attack.
I wonder if
Zele
it's, I
Jackpot.
wonder which Jake it is. I think it's for me.
Mazekes.
Thanks, Mrs. Fitchman.
Zele Attack.
There's something else in there.
Seychelles. Seychelles.
Oh,
What else is in it?
oh, it's a sweater.
Nice.
I could use a new sweater. Thank you.
I don't know,
Seriously.
that's small. That might be for me.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, it looks more like your style. You know why? It's
Because it's
Luigi.
nice.
What are you saying, Jake? I
There
couldn't
might be
fit.
something in there for you though.
Oh, that's more to mine. I don't know. I like sweaters too. Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Big kid man.
Nice.
Big coffee man.
Thank you, thank you. We are
I'm
coffee
gonna
people.
start this now.
City
I
of
love it.
Fountains blend.